Walking this dry, desolate area south of Coyote Canyon. I wonder what's happening. I wonder if they're looking for somebody or something. Hope they're not looking for me because I'm fine. I took this new connector route from the box area of the Paria over to Yellow Rock, and so far it's awesome. I'm loving it. It's number 3 for the trip. A big happy birthday to whoever you are. All right, in the distance, that's where we're headed, Yellow Rock. Coming for you. What an incredible valley of color. Man, I just can't get over how colorful the slick rock is in this area. Just amazing. It's like even a little yellow rock right there, off to the side. All right, I just climbed out of the valley of color. Took a lot longer than I thought it would. And Yellow Rock is once again within my sights. Okay, let's get up there. There she is in all her glory. Woohoo! I'll go over there, take some pictures. Then I have to get down and climb up through that notch in the ridge over there. Ugh, not gonna be fun. So awesome. And look, there's a big pool of water. You have to fill up. I hear a drone. I don't see a drone, but I hear a drone. I saw 2 guys in the distance down there. I bet it's theirs. These colors are insane. I love it. Okay, let's walk up here a ways just so you can see the colors. Oh man, it's got me huffing and a puffing. I don't think we're going to make it all the way to the top today. Too far behind schedule. But this is a pretty amazing view right here. Woohoo! Yellow Rock. Boom. Such an awesome place. There's actually some people walking along the top right now. Check them out. Climbing up this crazy steep Jeep road provides a good look at the Coxcomb running north and then even back to Yellow Rock where we were just a little while ago. You can also see to the south, Coxcomb running that way. Oh hey, it's Molly's nipple! Molly's nipple, Molly's nipple! I'm off the beaten path again. I'm trying to find a new route down Coyote Canyon, the left fork. This could be a really bad idea, or it could be great. I'm hoping for great because it's already been a long day and I'm running low on water, so if this route connects, there'll be the spring at the bottom. So here we go, wish me luck. Well, I don't know if the route's going to connect, but I've already found a first pothole of water, so that's good. Okay, let's keep going. Well, I've come to a big drop off. So that didn't go very far at all, but here, let's let you have a look. Yep, there's the drop off. More water though. But I did spot a cow trail going to the south. And even though I don't like the cows out here, they're usually pretty smart as far as how to navigate. So I'm gonna follow that cow trail to see if it goes to a place where I can get down. I'm looking, I don't see a lot of opportunity to get down. Actually, maybe over there. Yeah, right there. Unfortunately, I went the wrong way. I need to get over to that side. Okay, I've made it all the way around the canyon to that spot I spotted from the opposite rim. I was over there on the far side a while ago. And now I'm here and I think it looks doable. I think I can get down this. Here we go. Yay! I am down in the canyon. Woohoo! Wasn't too bad. That's the route right up there. Just have to do some scrambling down. And I'm in the bottom. Well, I'm probably not at the bottom because there's going to be more drop-offs, I'm sure, because even looking immediately ahead, there is this. Another minor drop-off. I think I've already spotted a way around, but we'll see. Let's go that way. All right, 2 for 2. That one wasn't too bad. The scariest part is, though, I'm not even to the my anticipated hard part of the canyon. So we'll see. Let's keep going. All right, camped up in the canyon last night and made it down farther this morning. No more drop-off, so all is good. I'm now at the junction with the main fork of Coyote, which is over here. And from here I'm headed south, and you can see the canyon really opens up from here. So it should be fast walking, and in theory there's a spring ahead too, so that'll be nice. Okay, let's go. It's a stampede. I'm driving the cows south even though I don't mean to. I thought I finally got around them there, but it just didn't work. Day 18. Walking this dry, desolate area south of Coyote Canyon. Trying to get over to Wahweap Canyon. It's not too hot today, luckily, but wish it was cooler. I'd love it if one of those rainy, cold days would have been today, instead of back up there in the high elevation, but can't have everything we want. The area up there is called Blue Cove. This is definitely one of the most desolate stretches I've hiked. And it's just nothing. Not even a shade tree to crawl under and take a break. It's really barren. Number 4 of the trip. This one's so faded, I don't know if it's Valentine's Day, Happy Birthday, or St. Patrick's Day. Whatever it was, happy something day. I'm sitting in a dry lake bed, and one of the few spots to find shade is behind this, I don't know what it is, an administrative thing that helps keep the level of the lake, which is currently dry, but it's a nice place to be in the shade right now. The tower. Sun to the left of me, sun to the right, but I'm in the shade. Crazy landscape, and finally see the Wahweap over in the distance. Makes me happy. I'm at the Wahweap Hoodoos, and they are amazing. They're really cool. A whole bunch more back in there, plus another cove just behind me. I'm not sure if this qualifies as a bath or not, but it feels good. In the Wahweap Creek, and she's a muddy one. So this muddy Wahweap Creek is my only water source around here. So I'm actually going to have to filter this stuff. First we're going to let it set out overnight though, and kind of let all the silt go to the bottom. That'll help quite a bit. Well, this is what it looks like straight from the creek, but after you let it settle overnight, a lot of the silt separates from the water. So now I can use this to just pour the water part into my gravity filter system, and that'll produce some good water. I'm at the site of the Wahweap Hoodoos, and they're amazing. Check them out, they're all around you. Including this big guy right here. This rock looks like powdered sugar, but it's actually kind of firm. What an incredible little valley. Little valley of hoodoos. I don't see how this guy here is going to last long. Not only is he a slender pillar with a big rock on top, he's also completely undercut down below. Like he's sitting out on a shelf. It's pretty crazy. Here's that same hoodoo from underneath. Yeah, he's not going to be long for the world, I'm afraid. It's pretty amazing stuff. What do you do? Alright, gonna have some fun. Okay, we're done with this great valley. Now let's head over to another valley that's just south of here, which also has some interesting hoodoos. It's hoodoo mania, folks. It's exciting. Take some more pictures and then we need to hit the road because we have a long ways to go and we're several days behind schedule. But the knee is holding up, so that's great. And even though a lot of things have gone wrong, I'm still having a lot of fun. So let's check out these other hoodoos, have some more fun, and then hit the trail and see if we can get up into the Kapirowitz Plateau. Alright. Okay, we are approaching the second valley of hoodoos. Spin around and take a look where we're headed. Look at all those guys up there. Pretty amazing. For clarity, I should note that since I'm backpacking, I came from the north. So most people who day hike this will actually be the first main valley of hoodoos. And then where I was a while ago would be the second. So this is the farther south of the two. I think there's some other minor hoodoos on down, but they're not nearly as great. That guy's lost his hat. Just like all these other guys. Just imagine these were probably all hoodoos once upon a time. But no more. These are identical twins. And these are the fraternal twins. Those aren't real names, I just made that up. So don't quote me. Okay, let's go. Man, there's a wall of tamarisks here. I tried to go through and it was a nightmare, so I'm gonna take the long way around. Day 19, let's go.